welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about Simply Earth versus Young Living. I did a similar video a couple of years ago on this, just comparing Young Living and Simply Earth, but I've used oils for a couple more years now and have a little bit more experience. I'm a certified aromatherapist now, and I just want to do an updated video because I think it's important to just weigh the pros and cons of each brand when you're thinking about what brand you're going to commit to and use for you and your family. So I will go over the history of the company, about each one, pricing, quality, the pros and cons, where I stand right now with both brands. Before we get started though, I wanted to remind you that my Stan store is now live. Think essential oil topics, very specific things. I have guides for each one so that you know everything there is to know about something like essential oils in dogs or pets, hormones, allergies, aromatic families, all kinds of different things, and I'm always adding to that. So let me know if you have any requests for me to add to my Stan store, and I will put the link for that down in the description of this video. All right, so Young Living was founded in 1993, so it's been around for a long time, and they love to let you know that. They like to make you think that they are the best because they've been around the longest or a really long time. Simply Earth was founded in 2015, so they're a newer brand. It's kind of founded by an aromatherapist on the mission to just create essential oils or have available essential oils that are affordable and really just easy to get your hands on. They have their subscription box. So they want to not only sell you their essential oils and make them accessible to you at a good price, but also teach you how to use them and give you fun ideas and recipes each month. So I really love that about them. Young Living so they started with a commitment to producing and distributing the best essential oils on the market. And I do think that they have very high quality, great essential oils. They're just very expensive. So we're working with a company that was founded in 93 and 2015. Okay, so just a little bit about each essential oil company. Young Living emphasizes the use of pure therapeutic grade, which is not a thing, it's not regulated, with oils extracted from plants grown on their farms. They own a few of their farms, and they like to use that as just a blanket statement, like they own their own farms. They do own a few, but they don't own all of their farms. And they follow a seed to seal commitment quality commitment. So that involves from the seed that they choose, the ground they choose to plant it in, to the bottling process and giving you your oil. Everything is done to the highest quality. That is what they say. Simply Earth aims to offer 100% pure, unadulterated, high quality essential oils free of additives and fillers at a really great price. And also, like I said, teaching you how to use your oils. They also, when you subscribe, they have like a university or like a course that you can have access to for free, which teaches you also how to use the oils and teaches you safety from an aromatherapist point of view. And then they also give 13% of their profits to help end human trafficking. Pricing is next. Young Living is super expensive. I don't think that's a secret. I think everyone knows that. They're at the highest end of the essential oil market. Their pricing is based on like rarity, sourcing, production processes. They don't say it's because you have to pay your downlines or your uplines, however you want to see it. But I don't know. What do you think? Do you think their oils are more expensive because it's an MLM, or do you think it's just because they think they have the best quality oils? Just curious to what you think. Simply Earth is a budget-friendly option for sure, but their oils are tested, which I'll go over below too, and are super great quality as well. They also share like videos on their farms and where they're getting their oils. They're sustainably sourced, and I do think their quality is good. The quality is what I'm going to talk about next. Young Living is known for its strict quality control measures. They have an entire web page on their website to kind of go over seed to seal and what that means and the testing that they have. And I will say they test rigorously. They do so many testing, but their tests are mostly done in-house. So you can take that as it is. You can dive into that if you want to, but just know that most companies do third-party testing. Young Living does say that they do the in-house testing because they have the highest technology and the highest they know the most and they have the best stuff, so they just test in-house. I like the accountability of third-party testing. That's just my personal thought. Simply Earth is also committed to providing high-quality essential oils. Reverse. Young Living does not provide their testing results on their website. Young Living is committed to providing super high quality oils. Their test results are available. They third-party test, and they just make sure they're meeting like industry standards. They might not do the 30 tests or whatever Young Living is claiming to do, but they do the GCMS testing, and they do have that readily available. I will say that's not the end-all be-all, and that shouldn't be your basis for using an essential oil company. That test does ensure that what they're saying is in the essential oil bottle is in the oil bottle. But as far as the quality and how they're distilling and things like that, quality of the plants and whether it's organic is not going to be shown on that test. Also, Young Living says that they are organic. They're not USDA organic, and nor is Simply Earth. Pros and cons. Young Living pros, strong focus on quality and purity. They have tons of different products. I like that with the company. That's why I like Revive. Simply Earth has a few different products like cleaning stuff, candle making. They don't have a ton. I also love Rocky Mountain because they have supplements and bath and body products. Plant Therapy has a ton of products though too, so Young Living isn't the only company that just has like a wide range of things available. Extensive product range, established reputation, and a large customer base. Simply Earth essential oils, affordable pricing, especially through their subscription box. It's $45, and with my code you get $45 back. Commitment to transparency. Like I said, they have some videos on their YouTube of their farms and reviewing different people from the places they get their oils. So I thought that was cool. Charitable contributions. They're giving 13% back, which I thought was super impressive. I think Young Living does things like that too, if you go onto the website and see. Okay, cons. So Young Living has the highest prices in the market. Some critics argue that the multi-level marketing structure may lead to the inflated prices. Simply Earth cons, limited quality or limited variety. So they don't have every single essential oil you've ever heard of in your life. They have just kind of more of a limited variety of oils. And then they may not have the same extensive testing that other brands like Young Living might have. Okay, so lastly, I'll just talk about where I'm at with each brand. I was a brand partner with Young Living for a couple of years ago now, and I loved their oils. I love their products. They were just super, super expensive, unsustainably expensive. Like I couldn't buy the things that I needed and stay in my budget. So I started looking at different brands and realized there are so many great brands to use that are of the same quality, if not better, at so much better prices. So we started branching out. I stopped being a brand partner, and then I still used like Thieves or Northern Lights Black Spruce or Shutron or Hormonal or My Hormone Progestins Plus. But then I started finding replacements for those as well. And right now I am, I guess, technically a customer. I have an account still with them, but I'm not a customer. I'm not buying anything. Simply Earth, I am an affiliate with them. They send me their box. But honestly, I just feel like if you're wanting to build a wellness cabinet, essential oil collection, they have the best prices, they have great quality, and they have so much education. So I really love them and will continue to use them forever. They have some different cleaning products. Like I said, a candle making kit. So they have a bunch of different things too. They have a kids kit, which I love. The girls like that too. So they have so many pros that I just feel like it will be a top company for us for, I don't know, as long as we use essential oils. So all the brands that we use though, Simply Earth isn't it. There's Eden's Garden, Home, Jade Bloom, Mountain Rose Herbs, Plant Therapy, Revive, Rocky Mountain oils we love as well, all for kind of different reasons too. So I always get the question like, what's your favorite brand? And I don't have one, I have a bunch for different reasons, and that's like listed out in this blog post too, just a little snippet of why we like each brand. But I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. Let me know what questions you have or comments down below. You can also DM me on Instagram if you have anything else to share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.